Hi, in this video I'm going to solve practice question sample space diagram. So the set of all possibilities outcome is called the sample space or the probability space of an event. So look at number 1. Draw a sample space diagram to show all possibility outcomes when you toss two coins at the same time. Okay, coin will have tail and head. So let us make it the draw sample. We'll draw it here. Okay, sample. Okay. Apologize if this is not perfect. So the two possibility, head and tail. Also head and tail. So first, the possibility is gonna be head, and here head and tail again, and then tail with tail. So what is probability for A? At least one tail. So we got 3/4. What is probability no tails? Without T is only 1. So it's only 1/4. There it is. Number 2, 3. Green cards are numbered to 1 to 3. Yellow cards are also numbered to 1 to 3. Draw sample space diagram to show all possibility outcomes. One green card and one yellow card. So greens will be 1, 2, and okay, let me make it space. 1, 2, and 3. Next for the yellow. Okay, let's say 1, 2, and 3. Let us make it the draw. Make it small. Okay, here we got it. Let's make it perfect. So we got it here. Okay, the green is gonna be 1 here, 1 again, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. With the yellow, it's gonna be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and then 3, 3, 3. Okay, this is the probability. How many possible outcomes are there? So we can count it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So B is gonna be 9. What is the probability that the number on both the card will be the same? So let's check it. We got 2 and 2, 1 and 1, and then 3 and 3. So this will be 3/9, or we simplify, it's gonna be 1/3. What is the probability of getting a total less than 4 if the score on the card are added? Okay, first 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is gonna be 2. And then we got 1 plus 2 is gonna be 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is gonna be 3. And then at the end there it is. We only got 3/9, or simplified 1/3. Okay, for number 3. Let me make it bigger. Okay, on a school outing, the students are allowed to choose one drink and one snack from this menu. So the drinks will be cola, fruit juice, and water. Snack, it will be biscuit, cake, and muffin. So let us write it here for the drinks. So here the drinks. And here the snack. So the drink, first we got cola. So O's will have cola, then cola again, and cola. After cola, this will be fruit juice. So fruit juice. Okay, just make it fruit juice here. Fruit juice. Here also will be have fruit juice. Here also will have fruit juice. Here also fruit juice. Okay, and last is water. Water. Also water and water. Next, let us list for the biscuit and snacks. So first we got biscuit. So write it here. Biscuit. Here also will have biscuit. Here also biscuit. Next, after the biscuit is cake. So here we have cake. 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 Last is muffin. Okay, let's draw it. Okay, got it here. Get it here. Water. Get it here. Okay, there it is. Next, this is for A for the drawing. Next question. What is the probability a student will choose cola and biscuit? So where is cola and biscuit? There's only one here. So only 1 over all of them is 9. Next, what is the probability that the drink chosen is not water? Not water. So if the not water, we got cola 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cola here 2, not water, not water, not water, not water, not water. So 6 over 9. So we divide by 3 is gonna be 2 over 9. Okay, there it is. Thank you.